Hey guys, my name is Emily. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a closet organization, clean out, decluttering video. So basically I'm just going to be changing all my winter clothes into my spring and summer clothes, refolding pretty much everything, rehanging everything. So this is going to be a huge closet transformation for me. So let's just go ahead and get started. My closet is nothing but a mess and I'm so embarrassed to even show you guys. But this is the reality of it. And here we go. So this looks fine, right? And then you see the floor. There's just stuff everywhere. And if you go up here, it's just a mess. It's like all my sweaters. I bought more hangers to put things up, organizers, and like all the other random stuff on top. And it's such a big closet. It's really deep. There's like a lot of things you could put in here, but it's just, I'm not using it correctly. It's just not organized correctly at all. So I'm going to be doing a whole entire closet organization, and I'm going to document the whole entire process so you guys can see. And then I have this one next to my little closet, and I mean, it's like just as bad. It's just crammed, a bunch of random stuff, and then like there's nothing up here. So this I'm going to utilize as well. I purchased this 6-cube organizer off of Target. I'm planning on putting this underneath the closet or in the bottom of the closet. So I'm going to go ahead and start building this right now. I made sure to measure my closet before I did this, so make sure you guys do that too. Now I'm going to go on my stepladder and get everything out that is up here. Now that the top is empty, I'm going to go ahead and start free folding all of my jeans, all of my pants, and I'm going to put them into the cube organizer. I bought these things off of Amazon, and apparently you're supposed to put them on the rod and you're able to put multiple shirts on here at the same time. So I've never tried this before, but it has some great reviews. I put some blouses on it, so let's see if this actually works. Wow, that is so cool. This is my current state of my living room, so I'm going to fold all of my winter items. I have this organizer from the Container Store, so I'm going to be using this to organize all of my belts. Hey guys, so this is what the closet currently looks like. It is extremely organized and I'm obsessed with it. So I actually ran out of the velvet top hangers and the velvet bottom hangers, so I just ordered some more on Amazon. I will talk to you guys in a couple of days when it arrives.
3 days later.
This is what I ordered from Target. It is their storage cubby, and I'm gonna put this on the top shelf.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, it's time for the big reveal. So I'm going to put the before again, just so you guys can see that.
Yo, Petey, where you at?
And then here is the after. And that is my closet transformation. I think it looks amazing. My closet has never been this organized in my life. So down here are all of my jeans and my sweatpants. And then I use these hook things to put like a lot of my blouses, my skirts, a lot of shorts. Over here I put more of my shorter clothing items. And then up here I put all of my gym clothes, so all of my gym leggings, all my sports bras. And then up there is just storage of winter clothing. And also, I don't know, this is like a closet hack, but I didn't have any room for my laundry hamper. So my closet is pretty deep. So I ended up hiding my laundry hamper behind it so nobody could see it. And then over on this wardrobe, I just put all of my non-designer bags up here. I put all of my longer clothing item going from pants to skirts to sleeveless dresses, dresses with sleeves to jumpsuits and everything. And that wraps up my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in any of these things, I'm going to link to everything down in the description bar. Again, if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, it would mean so much to me. Please let me know what type of feature videos you guys would like to see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.